Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into EduCanada, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for EduCanada. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your credentials. In the first field, input your registered email address. Ensure that the email address is correct to avoid login issues. Next, move to the second field and enter your password. Take care to input your password accurately. If you are unsure of your password, use the Forgot Password option to recover it. Once you have filled in both fields, locate the Login button at the bottom of the form. Click on the Login button to initiate the login process. Wait a few moments for the system to process your request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your EduCanada dashboard. In case of an error message, double-check your email and password. If you continue to experience difficulties, consider clearing your browser's cache. Another option is to try logging in using a different web browser. Once logged in, explore the various features available on your dashboard. If you need assistance, look for the help section provided by EduCanada. You are now successfully logged into EduCanada. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.